I've been known to do some crazy things over the years.
Over today.
Yeah, even today.
Or
This
yesterday.
Desmosedici has been our classified section, our buy it now classified section for a while. The reason it hasn't sold is because we had to do a case swap. It's a very common issue with Desmosedicis. We've brought it up on numerous times.
Yeah.
The blue antifreeze, anti-coolant issue. That's the old motor from it right there. And again, we've shown this on some past videos, just what the coolant can do. It basically rots the motor from the inside out, ruins the water jacket. We had to replace the heads, what else did we do? Remember? Like it was pretty much, the bearings were done.
Oh yeah, the main bearings, yep.
All brand new parts. The issue is, and the reason why that bike hasn't sold, is the case number is on here and not on there. And if you look really close, it's like a dot matrix kind of type thing, so we can't really stamp it. What we're gonna do is let this one go for zero reserve and just see what it does.
Someone's gonna get a new Desmosedici.
Desmosedici, and I gotta tell you, like I know this sounds like a sell, but it would potentially be one of the more reliable, most reliable ones out there. It's a fresh motor.
Yeah, fresh motor. Still has to be broken in. So along those lines.
Actually, you go ahead.
Well, so we're gonna have our buddy Ollie ride it home today and bring it back. It's about a little over 100 miles.
Round trip.
Round trip.
Yep.
So he'll, in a sense, break it in that way. Obviously, we'll take a look after he's done, but we'll make sure we put some miles on it. And then, yeah, we plan on having going this live with this auction tomorrow. And yeah, someone's gonna get
a 0 mile bike. I mean, not a 0 mile,
a fresh motor bike.
Fresh motor, essentially.
Yeah.
And when we had this apart, Mark at Pro Italia works on the side for us. He has all the tools and he's Desmosedici certified. We had him do anything that was an issue. The cam gear issue, I think, all that stuff. We had him replace every single thing. Anyway, real quick, just to kind of drum up a little bit of excitement. Do you mind?
Before you start it up, it's a 0 mile motor. Even the chassis just has 1,335 miles on it. Or is that kilometers?
Pretty sure it's miles.
Okay.
And we have the stock wheel for it too. This one actually has the last, is this the bike? This is the bike with the last available Marchesini 17-inch wheel swap. We got the very last wheel before they discontinued it.
Brembo stopped
so it has
making,
the 17-inch Marchesini. In that bike, that's brand new. So,
yes, yeah.
All right, anyway.
So good. Oh.
So two things are gonna happen right now. I'm gonna take this down. Ollie's gonna take one more look because it's been sitting up here for a little bit.
Yep.
And Ollie's gonna get some earplugs.
Yeah, he'll need them, that's for sure.
So watch for some more footage of this bike. But again, if you want a Desmosedici, this is a reliable one. Last thing I wanna say really quick, speaking of unreliable bikes, I'm gonna beat up on those guys over at Mecum in Vegas because their auction's coming up pretty soon. And I'm not a fan of those guys at all. They actually banned me for life for the things I say about them, but whatever. This is a Mecum bike. It just sold from them probably, I don't even know how long ago, 6 months ago or so?
During the summer, yeah.
The owner called me and says, hey, have a look at it. We looked at it. The motor's bad on it as well. It does start, but it's got a bad motor just like that one. He said what to do. I said, call him. Mecum's answer was, let's put it back on the auction. Don't say a thing and make sure you don't mention anything else about that. So clearly that's not an acceptable solution. We do actually have an entire another extra motor kit in case someone, or even this owner, wants to do another motor swap. It's expensive. This bike all in, that motor swap and repair was somewhere around.
It starts with a 3.
Yeah, it's like 30,000 bucks or something. So there you go. Bike number 669. Watch for it on the auction site tomorrow. 0 reserve. We've had a really good December and a really even better January. Little cost averaging time, I guess.
Yeah, we'll see what happens with this one. Yeah.
Come on, baby. Here we go. All right, Ollie. Thank you, Ollie, for helping, and Riff, thanks for recording.